confess it, this whole world looks like a desert, but I'll take a chance with you, I have to know. Now I'm standing behind your door, thinking good times, just one more. When I turn my back on you, I walk away. It's a waste of time to play theater, trying to show you something that I'm not. If I'm not good enough, you can always tell me off. But baby, gonna tell you a story and bring you the coffee. It'll make a laugh at the end of the day. Gonna shrink your cheese by standing in the rain. Oh, baby, just can't say what to do on a rainy day. Sometimes I think I'm reaching too high. That look in her eyes tells me it's worth a try. But I feel it's hard to say. I wonder, do I ever find a way? But baby, I know what to do on a rainy day. But baby, I'm gonna tell you a story and bring you the coffee.